happy birthday. A very, very happy birthday. We hope that you are having just the best party ever.
We wish you the best of luck in years to come. You've grown up to be a very beautiful woman, and we love and miss you.
Yeah, we wish we could be there. I'm sure you're having a wonderful evening. So we will miss you, and we'll just have to send our love from afar, okay? Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Dorothy.
Hope you have a great birthday.
We love you and we're sorry I can't be there today. But we missed you so much and have an amazing day, babes.
Hi, Dorothy. I'm your Ninang from the USA. I want to say happy birthday, young lady. I want to message to you shortly. I wish you always good heart, good health, all the things to do in your life. I hope that protect your heart, protect yourself, love yourself. Ang dami ko ng utang sa'yo. I love you, Dorothy. Happy birthday again. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Dorothy. You may be wondering sino ako, no? Magpapakilala muna ako sa'yo. Ako yung nawawala mong ninang simula nung binyagan ka. Kidding aside, I have known your family through your Tito Brian sa Frabel, ano? And your Tito Brian was a very close subordinate of mine during my time in Frabel. And nasi-share niya sa akin yung kanyang mga life and challenges as well as your family, no? And I could say, especially your mom, you are very blessed to have your mom with you. So, dun kami nagkaroon ng connection even though hindi kami masyadong nagkikita ng mami mo. Okay, Dorothy, no? So, since ako yung nawawala mong ninang and it took me 18 years, bago ako nakapag-video sa'yo for your very special day. So, my wish for you and sana soon we could be able to meet and makita mo ko at mayakap man lang kita kahit alam ko mapakarami ko ng utang sa'yo. The only thing that I could share to you, Dorothy, on your 18th birthday, you already have everything in life. You are so blessed with your dad, your mom, your brother, and of course, yung mga kasama mo ngayon sa buhay mo na nagmamahal sa'yo. Okay? I would like to share to you, Dorothy, an advice that you have to focus on your self-awareness and learn to trust and love yourself. Number 1 yon, Iha. Know that your ideas and opinions are important. Always develop a strong relationship with yourself. After all, you are the person that you will spend the most time with over the course of your life. Don't get discouraged, Dorothy, or discredit your thoughts or feelings. Yan ang nakita kong isinabuhay ng mami mo. Kaya successful siya ngayon sa buhay niya. Happy 18th birthday, my dear inaanak, and may your journey into adulthood be filled with happiness, love, and the pursuit of your widest dreams. I wish you all 18th birthday a fantastic and filled with laughter, love, and happiness in the world that can offer, And soon, pag nakita tayo, mag-cheers ako sa'yo. And to all your adventure that will be ahead of you. So Dorothy, enjoy your birthday, and I'm looking forward to your success. And I'm pretty sure with your mom and dad around, you will be very successful person. You already have everything. Beauty, brains, talents, nakikita kita sa Facebook. Okay, so see you soon, Dorothy. Enjoy your birthday, and though we're very distant to each other, ako yung magiging fairy godmother mo. Pag may problema ka, bigla na lang akong lilitaw ng ching, magic, ikaw ang Cinderella. Okay, so enjoy, Dorothy, and remember, your Ninang Berna will always love you.
Hello, Dots. Happy 18th birthday. Enjoy your day. Wish you all the best and stay safe always.
Happy 18th birthday, Dorothy. I'm so proud of the amazing young woman you have become. It's been a joy to watch you grow up over the years. Wishing you a future filled with happiness and success. And I wish more birthday to come and always good health. Happy birthday again. And I love you!